Hello and welcome to the naturalmattressfinder.com channel. My name is Daniel Boudreau. Today I'm going to be doing a sleep update review of the Sunrising Bedding 8-inch hybrid natural latex mattress. Now this is an 8-inch mattress. It's got the fabric encased coils and a 1-inch layer of Talalay latex and some kind of synthetic filling. The manufacturer calls it Dacron, and that's covered by a cashmere goat wool cover, which is very, very smooth. I've been sleeping on this mattress for a couple of weeks now, and I just simply love the feel of it. It's got that firm feel, it feels solid, and it's the great ideal sleep surface for me. This mattress is priced at about $400 for the queen. If you want the latest price, just check the link down below. You can easily add a topper to this mattress to fine-tune it to your firmness preference. You can add a 2-inch topper or go super luxurious and add a 3-inch topper. I'll also link some toppers that are 100% natural and third-party certified down below in the description. So, a thing to note about this mattress is that although the feel is really nice, it's really good for me, but my body type is, maybe you can relate to this if you have the same body type. I'm about 193 centimeters, that's about 6'3", 6'4". I weigh about 170 pounds, so my body weight is very spread out. So I don't need that much cushioning depth. So that's why this mattress is ideal for me. Also, I spend most of my time sleeping, not most of my time, but most of the time when I'm sleeping on my back. Sometimes I sleep on my side, but for the most part, I'm sleeping on my back. So if you're a back sleeper, you need less cushioning on the top layer of the mattress. So that's why this mattress is ideal for me. If you're a side sleeper, you may want to, and you're looking seriously to get this mattress, you might want to add a 2-inch topper to this mattress. So this is a really good deal for if you want to get into the natural mattress space, but I will note, however, that looking at it more in depth, most of the materials that make up this mattress are synthetic materials. Basically, what you have as natural materials is the cover, that's the cashmere goat wool, and the 1-inch Talalay latex layer. The synthetic materials are, the sides are made of polyester, the bottom is cover material is made of polyester. Inside, under this cushion layer, you have the Dacron filling, and you also have the metal coils, and the material that wraps the coils is also some kind of nylon or polyester. So, as well as all this border trimming, that's all polyester as well. So you kind of have to weigh the pros and the cons. One more thing to note also is that the Talalay latex is not third-party certified. So I still don't know if this mattress, the foam that's in this mattress is 100% natural or if it's synthetic. They've told me that it's 100% natural. I believe them. But you never know until it's certified by a third-party certification body like the GOLS, that's the Global Organic Latex Standard, or the Global OECOTEX is another one that certifies natural products. So all in all, I think this mattress is an amazing deal. But if you're looking for an all-natural mattress and you're really super concerned about your health and off-gassing, this may not be the ideal choice for you because there are so many synthetic materials in it. Once again, the only natural materials in this mattress are this thin cashmere cover and the 1-inch Talalay. The rest of the entire mattress is made of synthetic materials. So with that being said, it's a good deal, but you kind of have to consider that you're getting what you pay for. You can't equate this mattress with some of the other entry-level natural latex mattresses that are priced around $800-900 for the same thickness of mattress. Those mattresses will have completely natural materials, whereas this one is kind of half-half. So this mattress is kind of in a gray zone in terms of all natural mattresses. I decided to include it because it's a good choice for somebody that doesn't have the budget for one of these all natural latex mattresses, but it is better than something that contains memory foam or gel foam or any other polyurethane based foam. So what you can do with the Sunrising Bedding 8-inch hybrid natural latex mattress is add a natural latex topper onto it. In this case, I've added a 3-inch Dunlop latex topper. If you want my recommendation for the best natural latex mattress toppers, just look in the description below, and I have an outline of the best natural latex toppers that you can add to a mattress like the Sunrising Bedding mattress. So adding a topper to the Sunrising Bedding natural latex mattress is probably an obvious choice for most people, unless you like very firm mattresses, or you're a back sleeper and you don't need that much support. If you're used to sleeping on your side, or you're an all-around sleeper, I would highly suggest getting a topper with this mattress. And that's the great thing about this mattress, is that you can just look at this as an economical base, and you fine-tune it with a 2-inch or 3-inch natural latex topper. So the Dunlop latex makes the mattress a very contouring feel. It completely changes the feel of the mattress. So even sleeping on my back, my whole spine is nestled into the mattress, and it doesn't feel too soft either. So I actually have this Dunlop latex topper on the firm side. Believe it or not, there is a slight difference between this side of the Dunlop latex topper and the smooth side on the bottom. This side with the holes on it will have a more dense cell structure, so there's like less air bubbles, whereas the smooth side, if you look at a cross cut, I'll show you in a bit,
will have a more open and less dense cell structure.
And for side sleeping, this is really great, as a really great feel too. It's got it's really nice and contouring. For side sleeping, I would probably want to flip it over to the even more softer side, the smooth side. But this is really great. It's a really great feel for it. So that's one of your options for the Sunrising Bedding mattress. And even adding a topper to this, genuine 100% natural latex topper, you'll still come in under the price of most of the other entry-level natural latex mattresses. You're not getting the full real McCoy, the real deal with the mattress, because it does have a lot of synthetic materials in it, but I would say it's a little better than some of the fully synthetic polyurethane mattresses out there. And if you top it off with a natural latex topper, then you've got a pretty good setup for less money than it would cost you to get one of the higher end mattresses. So thanks for watching my sleep update of the Sunrising Bedding 8-inch hybrid latex mattress. If you want more information about this mattress, I'll leave a link in the description below. As well, if you want to compare this mattress with other mattresses that are available online, and we're talking about natural latex mattresses, go to my website. It's naturalmattressfinder.com, and on the homepage you'll find an amazing comparison chart where you can compare all the best natural latex mattresses available online today. If you have any questions about the mattress, please leave them in the comments below. I love seeing what people have to say and answering any questions people have. So feel free to leave a comment and like and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. My name is Daniel Boudreau. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video.